How to fix slow download speed on Terabox. The first things first is, of course, you'll have to check and double check that you are connected to a stable internet connection. Now, once you have fully checked on that, we'll just have to clear a bit of the settings from the Terabox itself. Now, all you have to do is to go to your settings. From here, scroll down a bit till you find apps and tap on it. So once you're on apps, go to manage apps. And then in here, just look for Terabox. Now what you'll want to do from here is you'll just have to clear all the storage and cache from the app itself. So to do that, just simply click on clear all data, tap on OK, and everything is cleared. Now you can also go to clear defaults by pressing on the lowest option right here, and you can press it again. Once you have fully checked on everything, you can go ahead and try to rerun your Terabox and check your download speed. So that's it. That's how you fix slow download on Terabox.